Hi guys, today I'm gonna review this glitter body tattoo. I've been waiting for this day for so long, and it comes with 4 glitter body powder. This is the back. You can see the instructions how to do it and all the tools you get here. Guys, let's open this. Body glue, 6 reusable tattoos stickers, 5 tattoo patterns, and 2 brushes. One is somewhere. Tattoos, and here are the unicorn animals. Let's put this aside. Let's put it there. First up, I wanted to show you guys all of 6 of these. So I got rabbit, a lamb, a butterfly, which I'm going to take out, These are the 6 tattoos. Get open. Here's a horse. Here is a dog. Pig. Okay. Now I'm gonna decide which one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna choose orange glitter, and I'm gonna choose a sticker. When shall I do? Shall I do this? This? Maybe I'm gonna choose a butterfly. Let's put this back, and I need some glue. So I need to open this first. Okay. And here's my two stickers.
First, you have to apply some glue.
First, we have to apply some glue. Second, we need to take the glitter and put it with a brush. Let's go. That looks amazing. You have to wait for 2 minutes and then peel off the stencils. And this is your final result. You can reuse this all over again. Now, let's try on this dog paw print tattoo. And I'm gonna pick purple glitter for this one. Gently take it off. Now, you paste it gently. Now let's put on the glitter. I choose purple glitter. You have to at least wait for 2 minutes. If you like this tattoo, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!